Pulmonaria raspberry splash, a jewel for the shade garden. For years, my shade garden felt like a forgotten corner. Sure, hostas provided a reliable blanket of green, but something was missing. Then, I stumbled upon Pulmonaria raspberry splash, and let me tell you, this perennial is a game changer. Pulmonaria raspberry splash, also known as lungwort, isn't your average shade dweller. This compact beauty boasts stunning features that add a touch of whimsy and elegance to any space. But before I delve into its captivating details, let's address a crucial question for pet owners. Is Pulmonaria raspberry splash poisonous to dogs? This is a vital concern for dog lovers like myself. The good news is, Pulmonaria raspberry splash is considered non-toxic to dogs and cats by the American Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, ASPCA, SPCA, poisonous plants. While unlikely, ingestion might cause mild stomach upset, but serious health risks are not a worry. Now, let's explore what makes Pulmonaria raspberry splash such a captivating addition to the shade garden. A feast for the senses, blooms and foliage. The star of the show is undoubtedly the blooms. Pulmonaria raspberry splash bursts into flower in early spring, showcasing clusters of vibrant raspberry pink blooms. These trumpet-shaped beauties mature to a soft purple, offering a delightful color transition throughout the season. But the magic doesn't stop there. The foliage is equally captivating. Long, lance-shaped leaves boast a rich green base dramatically splashed with silvery markings. This stunning combination creates a mesmerizing textural contrast that adds interest even after the blooms fade. How to care for Pulmonaria raspberry splash? Pulmonaria raspberry splash thrives in shady areas, making it a perfect solution for those forgotten corners. Planting is a breeze. Choose a well-drained location with loose, fertile soil. Amend clay-heavy soil with compost or organic matter to ensure proper drainage. Once established, Pulmonaria raspberry splash requires minimal care. Water regularly during the first growing season, especially during periods of drought. As the plant matures, watering needs decrease significantly. A light application of compost in early spring provides a welcome boost of nutrients. Beyond spring, maintaining beauty throughout the season. While the spring blooms are a sight to behold, Pulmonaria raspberry splash offers year-round appeal. In mild climates, the foliage retains its beauty throughout winter, adding a touch of evergreen charm to the garden. In colder regions, the foliage might die back, but fear not, it will return faithfully come spring. To maintain a tidy appearance, you can lightly shear the foliage after flowering. This not only encourages bushier growth, but also removes any spent flower stalks. Sharing the spotlight. Companion plants for Pulmonaria raspberry splash. Pulmonaria raspberry splash plays well with others. Here are some fantastic companion plants to consider. Ferns. Ferns, like the Japanese painted fern, add a graceful touch and appreciate similar growing conditions. Heuchera. Coral bells. The vibrant foliage of Heuchera complements the silver markings of Pulmonaria raspberry splash beautifully. Hostas. Hostas provide a lush backdrop for the delicate blooms of Pulmonaria raspberry splash. A gardener's delight. Propagation. Sharing the beauty of Pulmonaria raspberry splash is easy. This perennial can be propagated through division in spring or fall. Simply dig up a mature clump and carefully divide it into sections, ensuring each section has healthy roots and foliage. Replant the divisions in prepared locations and water regularly until established. With its minimal care requirements and captivating beauty, Pulmonaria raspberry splash has become a mainstay in my shade garden. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance, shade-loving gem, look no further than Pulmonaria raspberry splash. It might just become the jewel of your garden as well.